Hello there. Lisa just got done watching the movie Upgrade from 2018. It's an action movie that is 1 hour and 39 minutes long. And you watched it on what platform? Netflix. So what'd you think of Upgrade?
Never heard of it, but it came up on Netflix, of course, and yeah, it was a really good movie. I liked it. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it. It's about, well, the description is after a violent mugging leaves him paralyzed, a man receives a computer chip implant that allows him to control his body and get his revenge. So, yeah, it was good. It was interesting how they made it where the robot took over and stuff, and like it was a good movie. I liked it. It had an ending that is definitely pretty rare in the movie industries, if you ask me. So I didn't see that coming, you know. So it's definitely worth a watch. Was it rated?
Rated R.
Rated R. Yeah, definitely rated R. Yeah, yeah.
So out of 5 stars, what would you give it?
A solid 4.
4.
To tell you the truth, just because the ending alone, like, is very different than what you're going to see on usual movies anymore. It seems.
I'll look and see if I can find this movie online. If I can, or the trailer or something, I'll put a link. I'll pin a link below in the comments. If you've seen Upgrade, let me know what you thought of it. I didn't watch it just because these type of movies typically just don't appeal to me very much. I'm just really not into movies that have a strong computer presence. So yeah, it wasn't one for me. But yeah, if you've seen it, let us know what you thought of it. And if you haven't seen it, do you like movies that have a strong computer presence in the film? Let us know down below, and we'll see you in the next review. Bye.